Hi guys, and welcome to lesson 7 of my series of tutorial programming lessons. This is covering read data and restore this time. Okay, so this one's a little bit more involved than the ones we've done in the past. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time explaining to you exactly what's going on here. Now, as I mentioned in a previous lesson, I've had trouble putting line numbers in on the for loops, so as you can see over here I have actually taken the line numbers out, and further down in the program again. You should be okay to run them. Like I said in the previous lesson, it's just one of the glitches either with the browser or with the site here that I use for testing these programs on. The other part that I wanted to really give you some explanations on, there is a full explanation in the tutorial on my site. However, some of you may have a little bit of difficulty still grasping it, so I'm just going to go through it briefly and try to explain what we're doing here. Basically, we have the data on the bottom line, as you can see there, the 8 currencies and the 8 currency conversion values there. Okay, what we're looking at here is reading all 8 currencies. Okay, when we see a currency that matches the one that's typed in by the user, then A will be equal to that position in the list, i.e. if we picked Canadian dollars, it would read that first, so A would be equal to 1, that second, A would be equal to 2, A third, so A would equal 3 there, 4, 5, so A would be equal to 6 as it read Canadian dollars. So if you typed Canadian dollars in, A would be equal to 6, so what we're doing is saying let P, that is position, equal 6, and then we carry on with the rest of the loop. The reason we carry on with that is to get rid of all these data statements there, so that when it goes to the next part of the program it starts reading data from here, which are numbers, which are what we want. Okay, the next, after the loop, it checks to see if P is greater than 0. Well, P will only be greater than 0 if we found a match, obviously, because it says if $C equals $A being the answer that the user typed in, or the currency. So if that's not the case, then it will print out, I'm sorry, I didn't understand. So therefore, someone has typed in a currency that we don't have here yet, or they've made a mistake in typing in or something like that. Then all we do is we restore the data so that it goes back to reading from euro on the first pass again. It goes back to there, okay, and then it jumps back and asks for the input again. If P is greater than 0, then that must mean we had a match, because P otherwise would still be equal to 0. And then it goes to line 140, which is the next part of the program, where we set up another loop, but this time we only want to go to P. So if in the example I've just given you, Canadian dollar was 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 6, Canadian dollar was position 6, then the loop would read from 1 to 6. So it would read that data value, 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 and that data value, and that would be the last data value it read, because it only reads 6 times in the loop. So therefore, when it's reading F, which is for the formula we want, that's what we'll call the F, F would then be equal to 1.61, which is the correct conversion that we want for Canadian dollars. It's the 6th position in the loop, the same as Canadian dollars is the 6th position in the table there. Sorry, that's the 6th position in the data table. Then it would ask for the amount to be converted. So we type in the amount into amount, so £100 or whatever you want to type in. And then we multiply that by the conversion factor in F that it's just read, and then simply print it out and end. Hopefully that gives you a little better understanding of what we're doing here. So what I'm going to do now is run the program and let you see how it works. Here we go. There we go. It says currency converter, which currency do you wish to convert to? I currently support Euro, US dollar, Australian dollar, Swedish krona, Japanese yen, Canadian dollars, Indian rupees and Philippine pesos. So we will type in for this trial, we'll type in Canadian dollars. So we type in Canadian dollars and then we'll accept that. And now it says what amount would you like to convert? Well, to make it really nice and easy, we'll just do £100. Okay, so we type in 100 and then the answer comes up. £100 in Canadian dollars is 161. So that's pretty cool. Seems to work fine. We'll just do another quick run with another currency just to show you. Please type, which it comes up with exactly the same, and please type which currency you wish to convert to. So this time we'll go for Japanese yen. Japanese yen. Accept. And again we'll do £100. We can put any amount in we want, but I'll just use 100. Quite easy to see the results. Quite correct. And it comes up with £100 in Japanese yen is 12,975 Japanese yen. So as you see, it does appear to be working, but let's just check the error on it, shall we? First of all, let's just try and put something in that we haven't got. Let's try Thai baht. So we'll type in the word baht. And as you can see, the error message, the error protection has kicked in, and it said, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand your answer. Please type one of the abbreviation codes above." So that will continue going around in the loop until it actually receives one of these responses here, typed exactly as they are. Okay, so in this case what we'll simply do is we'll go to Euro. We'll try Euro this time, and we'll do another £100, just to make it very simple. And this time £100 in Euro is 121. Well, that's the program there, guys. As I say, if you want a full explanation, it is on my tutorial on the website, which I will put up the link here in the description. I'll also put the link to our site here as well, so that if you wish to view any other tutorials, you can find them there as well. I'll be making more of these tutorials soon, so if you like them, please rate them and make them your favourites, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please visit our site. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.